welcome back to my channel. This is Luis, and today we're going to talk about how to write a joke. A joke is a story with a funny ending. The joke is divided in two parts. The first part is the setup, and the second part is the punchline. The setup is where you win the audience's trust. And then the second part is the punchline. That's where you get them laughing. How do you make them laugh? You're going to surprise them. That's what gets them laughing. You know, that's why magicians are so successful, because they use the element of surprise.
Hippity hop and hippity hey. When
you're telling a joke, in order for your audience to laugh, is you gotta surprise them. How do you surprise people? Well, you surprise people by breaking the assumptions. How? Well, you lead the audience in one direction and then you surprise them with something else. And that will get you the laugh.
Son of a bitch.
To write a joke, first you need to choose a topic. Choose a list of topics that you know about yourself, that are facts, that are truths, you know. Try to find things that could be real. For instance, I chose my dating life. You know, my dating life sucks. That's a fact. So I chose that as my comedy topic. And one of the jokes that I wrote is basically, I start with, my dating life sucks so bad that I'm considering a sex change. That's the setup of my joke. And then I follow up with, my dating life sucks so bad that I'm considering a sex change. The change should be from 0 to some. So that's the punchline. The assumption was that since my dating life sucks so bad, I was going to get a sex surgery and turn into a woman. However, I took a different direction and I said, well, from 0 to some. You know, they're both connected. The punchline is connected to the setup, and the setup is connected to the punchline. That's a key thing that you need to remember when you're writing a joke. I have another one where I tell people that I'm from Guatemala. The topic is countries. Guatemala is a place that is considered dangerous. And then I associated this with a show called Narcos. I asked the audience, has anybody seen Narcos? And everyone would probably answer, yes, yes, yes. You know, I just started watching it, and I got really depressed by watching it, you know. It's, I mean, all the blood, all the killing, it just made me homesick. So I'm playing with, you know, again, the assumptions. So this is what you need to do in order to write a joke. I have another one that I just wrote where basically I say, you know, me and my girlfriend, we just had a baby and we are very happy. Her husband, not so much. So these are my jokes. I hope you like this video, and if you like my work, please subscribe, and see you guys later.